It is not every day that you have a supporter in one of the game's biggest stars make such a meaningful personal contribution. We've seen it here in the greater Washington area year in and year out. The support that comes from Bryce Harper for kids of these communities is truly extraordinary. So after his significant donation to this project, MLB and the Nationals decided to thank him in a meaningful way. With that, I have the distinct pleasure of officially announcing that from this day forward, these beautifully renovated fields will hereby be part of the Bryce Harper All-Star Complex at Fred Crabtree Park.
I've literally spent thousands of hours on this field since 1987. And we're so very proud that this park, named for Fred Crabtree, who was a tireless, dedicated coach and Park Authority board member who helped thousands of youngsters appreciate baseball, will be named for Bryce Harper. Today, the Park Authority is proud to have a field named in honor of a ball player who has few equals. Bryce Harper filled a hole in the Nationals lineup and in the hearts of baseball fans with his arrival in Washington. And he consistently dazzles us when he takes the field. But one of the reasons we're so happy to have a field named in his honor is because of his dedication and actions off the field as well as on. Bryce is a role model for young players we see today. Bryce once said, "I'd rather be a good person off the field than a good player on the field." Fortunately for us, he's both. Dedication, desire, and determination are elements that Bryce brings every day to his teammates, and he constantly strives to be his best. These virtues are critical to success to any field.
Mom and my dad, I look forward to tonight as well. You know, it's not every day that you're able to have your dad throw you on a Major League Baseball field, and yeah, it's pretty cool. You know, I think growing up, that was one thing that I really enjoyed was going to the field with my dad, and I think you kids should be able to. You kids should really enjoy that family aspect, because you know it can be gone in an instant. And you know, going to the park with your dad and having your mom yell and scream in the stands, you know, there's nothing better than that. So thank you, Mom and Dad. I love you. All right. But for me, you know, I always want to leave this game in a better place. You know, than I entered as a kid and as a pro. It's an honor and privilege to be part of this project. I felt like this not only adds to the community, but also achieves my objective of making sure this game continues to grow and is left in a better place than I entered it. You know, always have fun, enjoy this game, but don't just enjoy this game, enjoy other games. Enjoy playing football, baseball, basketball. If you want to swim, play lacrosse, do it all, you know, because baseball, you know, it's an amazing sport. It's fun to play. But you know, really try to enjoy shooting a three-pointer, or throwing a touchdown pass, or you know, doing whatever you need to do. If you want to sing, if you want to dance, do it. You want to play piano, who cares? Go out and do it.